The bike rider that owns this phone was receiving call while driving, and unfortunately the phone fell from his helmet and smashed the ground. This is a typical example of don't make calls while driving. So now we're going to see if we can bring this phone back to life. First, we lose the screws that is at the back of the phone, and after losing all the screws, well, we are now going to open the phone. But first, before we can open, we have to remove every screws. As you can see, this phone has a whole lot of screws that need to be removed, so we're going to remove all of them. After removing it, then we remove the back cover, as you can see, before we can be able to work on the phone. The back cover somehow is a little bit stiff, but it's still going to be removed. As you can see, it's removed. Then the next thing we have to do is we have to do some servicing on the board by hitting the board a little first to see if it will work. And you will be seeing the video now. I'll hit it. We'll apply some little heat on the board to see if it will come. If still it doesn't work after applying some heat on the board, then the next thing we have to apply some paste and detach the board totally from the frame, then hit the IC, because at times when it falls down like that, it may be that some of the ICs might have moved out of place, so we have to apply some heat to adjust the IC. That's what is controlling the phone functionality. After applying some heat on it, then the next thing for us to do is to try and see if it's going to work. And hold on, please watch to the end to see the end result of this phone. I've clipped the connector, the screen connector, then fixed the board on the frame. Then the next thing for me to do is to put the battery and give it a try to see if this Tecno phone can still come back to life. After connecting the battery, then we have to on it. After on it, still the phone doesn't work. So with this, I'm totally done fixing this phone. Before we can even do anything like changing the screen, the phone needs to be powered, and after doing everything, still it doesn't work. This phone is rest in peace. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more of these videos. Thank you.